Let us consider two circles. Actually, general solution of the circle are x minus h whole square, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Since we will take origin, usually we consider the circle with the origin, these two will become 0. Therefore, we write the equation as x square plus y square is equal to r square. Visually, we'll write, but original equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Why I have written this? Let us consider first equation what he has given. That is, so x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 square. That means I can decide that center is 0, 0, 1, 0. Center is 1, 0. Center is h, k. That means 1, 0. Center is 1, 0. Radius we will come to know here only. Radius is 1 because r is a radius. Let us consider one more equation what he has given. That only we shall consider, guys. What he has given again same equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Anyhow, he has given the equation that x square plus y square is equal to 1 square I can take. So center will be 0, 0. That means it is very clear now for us that these two are the equations of the circle. Then definitely we must draw two circles. To find the intersecting point of these two circles, I have to go to this method. We know that x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 he has given. One more side he has given that one more equation, x square plus y square is equal to 1 he has given. Y square can be written as 1 minus x square I can write. See, wherever I'll find here the value of the y, I'll replace it 1 minus x square. That implies x minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus x whole square is equal to 1 I can write. So if I expand this, x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 1, okay, plus 1, again I have to apply 1 minus x square is equal to, look at here, that is only value of the 1 minus x square I can write. That is not whole square, x square. Now if I continue this further, so 1 minus x square is equal to 1, we will get it. Therefore, I can write it as 2x is equal to 1, x I got as a half. What we are doing? We are just finding where those two circles will meet. Now, let me put that value in the equation. Which equation let me put? Let me put here in the equation y square is equal to 1 plus 1 minus or 1 plus 1 minus x square. So that is 1 by 2 they have given, right? So it will be half only. So here 1 minus 1 by 4 I can write. So y square will be equal to 3 by 4. So y will be equal to root 3 by 4 I got. That means two circles meet at intersecting point. Intersecting point is equal to half comma root 3 by 2. These two are the equations of the circle. Let me write that point on that circle. Listen here now. It's 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. This is x-axis, y-axis x dash, y dash. See, probably this is the circle of, let me consider that as a y1. Let me consider y1 in the sense it will be having the center which one? 0, 1. So this will be 1 minus 1 whole square plus y square 1 is equal to 1. This equation. This circle's equation is x square plus y2 square is equal to 1. Going to shade now. See, this area we need to find. Let us draw one line here. They said that it is of radius of 1. Radius 1 means this will be 1. This will be 1. This also will be 1. Are you understanding, guys? Both also will be 1. First, let us find the area under this yellow portion. This one we shall find. Blue area we should find. That will become y2. Area of the y1 will become yellow will become y1. Area of this one will become y2. Now I should find both and I have to multiply with 2. Add yellow color and blue color area. Then we shall multiply with 2, get the full area. That's what I am going to do now. We call this as a C. I'll call this this side as a C. This as a. This area as a. Okay. This I'll consider as a B. Okay. This I'll consider as a D. Let me consider this. Now, area under y1. Integration from, observe here, integration 2 into integration from 0 to half y1 into dx plus half to 1. Half to 1. See here, first to 0 to half. That place is half. 0 to half. Okay. This place is half. 0 to half. Next, half to 1. y2 into dx. y2 into dx. So now is equal to 2 into integration from 0 to 1. y1 value already you know that square root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square into dx plus integration from to 1 square root of 1 minus x square into dx. How we got this? If anybody is having doubt, we can do directly like this. Look at here, guys. Who has doubt for them? X minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 is there here, right? 1 is there. So if I want y, square root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square, I'll get in the same way x square plus y square is 1. Therefore, y will be equal to square root of 1 minus x square I can write. Now, further if I continue this, it's going to be a simple one. Now, we know the formula, apply that formula, okay? 2 into, okay? X minus 1. 2 into x minus 1 by 2. In integration chapter you have learned already. So 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus half into sine inverse of x minus 1 by 1 from the limit 0 to half plus 2 into what I can write x by 2 into, okay, square root of 1 minus x square plus half into sine inverse of x from the limit half to 1. This is 0 to half, that is half to 1. Don't be confused. Okay, it's a simple one. Okay. Further, if I continue this, let us apply the limit here. That is equal to 2 into here x value is half minus 1 by 2 square root of 1 minus value of that will become 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 whole square, it will not come here because x minus 1 is 1 by 4 whole square. Minus 1 by 4 we shall write. Just we shall write minus 1 by 4 plus half of sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Observe here, minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Now we are applying what actually? We are applying the 0, 1. So to the power into 0 minus half into sine inverse of minus 1. I have written this. This is not end, okay. See, for second one you have to apply. This is for first one. For second one we need to apply. So that implies what happens? Plus 2 into. This is for which one now? Observe here. See this what I have written here. This what I have written. See this what I have written here. The integration. That integration it is for this one. Don't be confused. Okay. This for this. Only till here, not till there. That is for till here only. Confusion no need, guys. So now further I have to apply now plus 2 into 0 plus half of sine inverse 1 minus 1 by 4 into square root of 1 minus 1 by 4 minus half into sine inverse of 1 by 2 half into sine inverse of 1 by 2. I can close the bracket. This is single step. Don't be confused. Okay. Let me move further now. I'm not explaining more about this because we have done such problems. Now let us find out the values. This value will become minus 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, it will become 5 by 6, 0 plus half plus pi by 2. This is for first one. Second one plus pi by 2. Okay. Minus half into root 3 by 2 minus 5 by 6 I can write. Now let us do simplification. So here what it will become? It will be minus root 3 by 4. Observe here guys, minus root 3 by 4. 2 taken common and 2 is cancelled here. Here this 2 is cancelled here. This 2 is cancelled with this 2 and this 2. Cancelled here. Observe now. You have taken common. Directly you cannot cancel. You have taken common and it is cancelled. Confusion is not required there. Now further if I continue this, okay, minus pi by 6 will remain here. Plus pi by 2. Again plus pi by 2. That is half one more sides. Here we have taken half everywhere. If you want, I'll share this. Look at here. This 2, this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 we have taken out. Further, pi by 2. Next is pi by 2. 2 times pi by 2 we got, I think. Yes. Minus root 3 by 4. That we are writing as it is. These three terms we are writing here. First term, second term. Now third one is minus pi by 6. If you continue this further, okay. Similarly, formula we are going to apply. We are not doing anything new. That is equal to, okay, 2 pi by 3. If you go for LCM, this terms 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 square units is the required answer. That is the area between y is equal to x square. It is a parabola. Already you know that. It's a parabola. So graph will be drawn like this. Usually graph will be drawn like this. Then what about y is equal to x square plus 2 graph? Now let us forget this 2. Let us forget this 2. If I forget this 2, this is a graph of the parabola. This is the equation of the parabola. So then how it can be written? For that, I should add 2. See, this is 1, this is 2. So graph comes like this, guys. This is 1, this is 2. Graph comes from here. This is the equation of y is equal to x square plus 2. Let me consider, this is a point 1, this is 1 centimeter, or else this let me consider as a 2 centimeter. Let me consider, according to them, let me draw a graph here of parabola like this. Let me draw. Okay, this is the curve of the parabola, that is y is equal to x square plus 2, I can write. Next, one more equation he has given, one y is equal to x. That means what? If I draw one table like this, what is the meaning of this? xy we shall give. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Like this only, let me also consider here, guys. Let me consider this as a 1, this as a 2. Here it will come 3, you should consider. Here also it will come 1, here 2, here 3 will come, you consider. Now this is the point 1. Point 1 comma 1 means here. Understand this graph. Here 1 comes 1, here it will come. So one more point will come here, you consider. Like this, somewhere it will come 3 comma 3, little bit more it will come here, it may come. Totally it will come in the 3 different distances it will come. See, like this line has come, you consider. Where will be the x is equal to 3 line, x is equal to 0 line? That line will be here only. But this is the line of x is equal to 3. This is the y is equal to x line. Next, x is equal to 0 line will come here only, guys. On this axis only it will come. It is not. Find the area of shaded portion. Name we shall give. We shall give the names for this. This is O. This is A. This is B. Okay. This is C. This is D. Shall call. This point is D. Shall call like that. We'll come to know. Required area. Area of what I require actually. Observe here. I'll write in this one. Area of. Okay. OBCDO. 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 Yellow color portion is equal to area of OACDO. That means full area. I should find OACDO. OACDO. Observe here. OACDO minus, I should subtract the area of OAB. I should subtract the area of OAB. Now to 3. Integration from 0 to 3. So OACDO related curve is which one? X square plus 2. X square plus 2 into dx minus integration from 0 to 3 only, because both curve comes under 0 to 3. Therefore, it will be x into dx, right? If you have confusion how we got that, it's a simple one. Y is equal to x is direct. Y is equal to x is direct. And one more is, he has given y is equal to x square plus 2. Both curve also he has given directly. Therefore, nothing to worry. Directly you can write it. Now, let us, what's the integration of this? X square, we can write as x cube by 3 plus 2x. To the power 3 minus x square by 2, 0 to 3. Simple one. If I move further, okay, see this is equal to, So now 3 to the power 3 by 3 plus 6 minus 0 plus minus 3 square by 2 minus 0. That is equal to 9 plus 6 minus 9 by 2. That implies it is 21 by 2 is the required answer. Its complete problem is on the board. You can refer this.